Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Allison. I will link her channel here or here. I think it's here. And I will also link her in the description box. So we wanted to do a collab on egg dishes, something to do with eggs. The idea came about when I got some farm fresh eggs and we had been talking about a collab, and that's what popped up. So I, however, did not use my farm fresh eggs for this because, as you know, I had some things going on the last few weeks and I just did not get around to doing my collab like I had planned. And so I'm doing it now, and I hope you enjoy it. This is a really good egg dish. I really enjoyed it. I'm curious to see what she made because I haven't seen it yet. And I would definitely be making this again. You can do all sorts of variations with it, however you like. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do new videos every day, mostly through the week, and I have been uploading on the weekends as well. My name is Nacine. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I would really like it if you gave me a clicky clicky. So without further ado, here's all right, guys, as you can see, I am cooking up the broccoli, and I cut up 1 farm fresh green pepper, and I'm just sauteing these in some avocado oil just until they're cooked, and then I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on them. I've already started chopping up my ham. Earlier in the week, I had a big spiral ham that was given to me, and I cooked it up, and I had it in here. I need to start using it up, and I'm going to start incorporating it in more meals. So after the broccoli and the pepper is done cooking, I just layered it down into a casserole dish. I chopped up my ham, and then I laid my ham down on top. You can use however many veggies, whatever type of veggies, keto or not, depending on what you're trying to make your dish. Whatever type of meats, if you want bacon, ham, turkey, whatever you want, ground sausage, ground beef, whatever works for you. I'm using this ham because I need to get it used up. So I layered the broccoli and the pepper and then the ham on top. And next I'm going to top it with some cheese. Now I ran out of shredded cheese. Obviously I have a few crumbles, and then I just put 6 pieces of provolone cheese on top. I'm going to whisk my eggs together with some heavy cream and seasonings, and then I'm going to pour that on top, and I'll show you that in just a minute. All right, so I put about 2/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then how many eggs did I do? I think I did 7 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I did 7 eggs. And I added in my garlic and herb fresh Jax seasoning, which I do have a code to save 15% off of your order down in the description box. And I also used the McCormick basil, oregano, garlic, and sea salt. So this has all of my seasonings in it, and I'm just going to pour this over. I also did put some of the seasonings on top of the cheese here. Pouring it over. You guys, it's gonna be good. Okay, I'm just gonna, you don't have to do this, but I'm weird. So I'm just pushing, making sure everything is pushed down nice and good. And I'm going to pop this bad boy in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm going to check on it again in 20 minutes. I'm not exactly sure how long to cook this. I do have my oven set at 375, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I cooked it for about 35 minutes because I wanted it real nice and good. And look at this ooey gooey bubbly cheese right here. This looks so good. I could cook it for a little bit longer because it was just starting to brown, but I like how it's looking. And it's not wiggly, there's no jiggle to it. You can see a little bit of that broccoli popped up over here. Oh my god, it smells delicious. Can you see? Look at some of the ham up here. It's nice and cooked. The seasonings, I can tell you right now, the seasonings smell really, really good. I think this looks really amazing. It doesn't even look like egg to me. But I'm excited. I'm going to let this cool. I will plate it up and I will let you know how it tastes. Right, here it is on the plate. I basically just cut it up into serving sizes, as this was the slice of provolone cheese that was on top. So there's 2 slices left. Everybody got 1 slice. And it's really good. The kids are liking it. I like it. I think adding more meats into it in the future, like some sausage and some bacon crumbles, would be good. Also, maybe adding some green onion or chopped regular onion would also be pretty good. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. It's pretty good.